In-car technology is getting so interesting that we at GetConnected decided we have to start covering this more. So I went to the Vancouver International Auto Show to take a look at one of the companies that's probably building some of the coolest technology. That's Ford and their sync system. Well, we've taken a couple of minutes to get out of the studio today to come down to the Vancouver International Auto Show. We're taking a look at how technology is finding its way into vehicles, and no better way to look at something called the sync technology with Ford. To help us understand that, we've got JP from Ford Canada. How are you doing?
Pretty good, yourself?
Good. So why has Ford put the sync technology into cars?
Ford decided to put the sync technology in the vehicles to be very more safety for the driver during his drive. So it wanted to make sure that the people keep their hand on the steering wheel, so it's very safety. So now you're not allowed to phone somebody while you're driving, so now you just press a little voice button and you will be able to do all the stuff that you did before with the voice activate. So you will be maybe, so you want to call your friend, you will see call Sean at home, and the radio will understand what you say, so you will be able to call without touching your cell phone.
And that's actually become law in many provinces in Canada, that you can't actually operate a cell phone, but probably things like MP3 players are soon to follow.
Exactly. You will be able to control your MP3 player with the voice button, and if you are looking for a specific song, you will be able to say, for example, play artist Metallica, and the radio will understand, so the music will be on just by your voice. And
is it Ford's intention to put this technology into all cars?
Yeah, it's available on all cars. You take the basic model, you need to pay for it, but if you take a highest model, they will probably come with the vehicles. So
great.
It's all with all the vehicles.
Well, why don't you show me how this thing works?
Yeah.
So now I'm inside the vehicle. There's obviously a few different controls here. What are some of the things I can do with sync?
Sync will be, you have your voice button right next to the media button.
Yeah.
That will be with the audio system. You will be able to, if you want to pick up a song in your iPod or MP3 player, you will allow to, with a certain sentence, the right sentence you need to do. So you will tell through the audio system. And just right next, you have for the phone calls. So if you want to make a call, you just press the button, and they will connect your cell phone, and after you will be able, for example, to call Sean, you will say call Sean, and you will see it will be dialing on the screen. So
okay, well, let's give it a try. I've got an MP3 player
exactly
here.
You have your USB port on the middle.
USB port in the middle. Plug it in.
Exactly.
And that is now connecting
the you will
iPod
see an interface on your iPods.
Oh yeah.
That you will not allow to touch any button. This is for the safety, so you will not allow to change with your iPod. So you need to do it with your steering wheel buttons.
So I just put that away then.
Exactly, you just forget it. First of all, you need to press voice button.
Yeah.
You will say USB because you want to make the connection between the USB and the iPod. So
USB.
Now you're on the sync system. So now you will be allowed to change song on your MP3 player. Now you will see the command that I told you before.
Press the voice button.
USB, please say a command.
Play artist Metallica.
Playing artist Metallica.
It's simple like this.
Oh wow,
it's very easy.
Don't have to touch anything.
Exactly, only except the voice button, and after all with your voice. It's a voice activate, so.
And is there any other voice commands within the music playing that I can do?
Shuffle, repeat. You will be able to say play next track. If you want to looking for a specific group, specific album, you will be allowed to say, for example, play album and then title of the album.
And what about other controls? I can control my mobile phone as well?
Exactly. You need to, first of all, you need to connect your cell phone to the audio system, and after you will be allowed to call anyone and receive phone call too. So
what button do I press for that?
Just yes, this one.
The telephone button? Okay.
Yeah. And now you're on the phone menu, so it's already connected. So if you, for example, if you want to make a call, just press the voice button and say call Sean. You will see.
Call Sean.
Phone, please say a command.
Call Sean.
Calling Sean.
There you go. As easy like this. So
who's Sean?
Sean is one of my boss.
Okay. So he's about to get a call from us.
So if you want to hang up, you just hold it.
Yeah.
You will see on the little screen. call
and it ends
any call.
perfectly. So all that control is built into the steering wheel.
Exactly.
Which takes using your phone or using your MP3 player.
Exactly. That's keep your hand on your steering wheel. It's very more safety for the driver. You keep focus on where he's going. So now that's a big part of the system, that the safety. You're not like texting with your cell phone or skipping your song on your MP3 player. So now you just focus on the wheel, keep your hand on the steering wheel, and you're on business.
Thank you, JP.
No problem.
And that's just scratching the surface in some of the things that the Ford Sync promises to offer. In fact, some models have the ability to give turn-by-turn directions, which will actually give you traffic alerts as well. So while you're driving, if there's a stall in front of you, it'll give you an alternate route. And it can do other things like download your phone contacts into the onboard system. It makes calling friends, family, and even business associates really simple. It also can read your SMS messages. So if you get a text, you don't have to look down at your mobile device. It simply reads it out over the audio system in the car. One of the things I liked about the system, probably my favorite, was its ability to transfer the call from while you're talking on your phone to the car system simply by getting in, closing the door, and putting the phone down. It's almost automatic. You don't have to call the person back. You want to check out all these different types of features in that Ford Sync system? Just check out the Ford website. They'll show you all the different models that comes with.